What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and right here is the Cyan Blue Silicone Quickfit 26 watch band from Garmin. I'm going to test it out on the Fenix 6X Sapphire here because a lot of times pictures just don't do it justice. A lot of times you see it on the watch and you're like, nah, I don't really like that. Or you see it on the watch and you're like, actually, I do like the way that's paired up. So let's go ahead, unbox it, and see what it looks like together. Inside, you really don't get all that much. You basically get the watch band. This is a cyan blue color, and true story, I actually saw this on someone's wrist, and that's when I realized I actually liked the look of it. In the pictures, I just didn't think the cyan blue would look all that good, but once I saw it on this person's Garmin device, I was like, you know what, that blue is actually really, really nice. I think I'm going to pick that up. So inside, you do have the mechanism here, and this is an original Garmin. Let me just show you what it looks like. Installing this watch band is as simple as it gets, so let's just snap that into place. And again, very, very secure. So this is it. This is the cyan blue color. Just take a look at it. And I do like the Garmin Connect icon right over there. That's something I really like. Now this watch face is called Sky Tracker. I'll leave the link down in my description. So this is what it looks like on the wrist. And of course, if you match your watch face to the band, it actually looks even more premium. Just take a look at the band here. There's that little Connect logo once again. No issues with these bands from Garmin. I have been using the other colors. Check my reviews for those if you want to see what they look like on the wrist as well. What I also like about these Garmin bands is you have that stopper there. So it's really going to help when you are working out, when you are exercising. It's going to help keep the watch band locked in place, and you're not going to have this flapping around from it coming loose. So that's basically it. This is the Cyan Blue edition. If you're interested in the blue or you're interested in any one of these other watch bands, I'll even leave some links to some more bands down in my description. So check it out down there, and if you want to see a review on this watch face plus many more, check my description as well. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.